Okay, now that you've downloaded your groups from BBLearn, you need to now create a file that has the names of each classmate, the email address, their username or ID, an ID that tells you what team they are in, and then something about the section. So we need to turn this file, or this, into that format. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a couple rows here. Insert one row. And I'm going to label this as team. I'm going to label this as ID. I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to label this as first. I'm going to label this as last. Now I need to change the order here. So the first name and the last name needs to go first. So I'm going to cut. And then I'm going to insert those over here. Then I need to insert another row, column, that's going to be called email. Then I need the ID next to email. So I got my first name, my last name, my email, my ID, my team, and then I'm going to put in another one called section. And I'm going to put 01. Now I need to somehow get the emails in there. First I'm going to delete this row right here, my old labels. I'm going to get rid of my old labels. And now I need to create a email. At Chico State, all student emails end in at mail.csu.chico.edu. So this is the Wildcat email address. Again, the Wildcat email address is at mail.csuchico.edu. So I'm going to put their username or ID followed by the Wildcat email address. So that's simply going to be D2, which is the ID. I'm going to use the ampersand. That's going to concatenate what I'm going to type next. I'm going to do a quote. And then inside the quotes, I'm going to type at mail.csuchico.edu. And then I'm going to do my end quote. Again, that is the username, ampersand, quote, at mail.csuchico.edu, close quote. I'm going to hit enter. And there I see that I have the student's email address now. I'm going to go ahead and copy that down. And I see that I have the email addresses for all students. Now I need to save this as a text file. So I'm going to do a file. I'm going to do a save as. I'm going to save it somewhere to my computer, desktop, or your download folder. I just save all my trash in my download folder. That's going to be, I'm going to name it CATME upload. There you go. Then I'm going to hit save. It's going to pop up some warnings. Alright, now I've got my file and I'm all ready set to upload that into CATME. Notice here I have my different teams right here, Group 1 and Group 2, and this is Test Team and Test 2 Team.